Gandhi has started Santan Sarjan Abhiyan throughout the country. This is 2025 is a dedicated year for organization building across the country, especially in the aftermath of Ahmedabad session. Party felt that we should make the Congress organization strong at the grassroots level, from booth, village, block, mandal, district to the top level. And with that intention, this program was started few months back. Many of the states we have completed this exercise in Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha. And now this exercise is going on Telangana, Andhra and Tamil Nadu. And I believe that after this exercise is completed, new dynamic leaders will come up from the grassroots level, and they will ensure that this country is united. We can take everybody along. Tamil Nadu become a more prosperous state, and we face all the challenges together under Rahul Gandhiji's and Khargeji's leadership.
After Indira Gandhi's period, what is the reason Congress will not be reached to the public?
No, it's not like that. Definitely during Nehruji's time, Indiraji's time, Rajiv Gandhiji's time, Congress was much more stronger. But Sonia ji also worked very, very hard and ensured that we formed government twice, UPA, from 2004 to 14. And then came people who always speak lies. They lied to the nation. They made big, big promises, but promises are not filled. Our farmers now were saying, farmer leaders, that they don't get MSP here. So whose responsibility is this? These are the responsibility of the central government. And I believe that once again, when people will give chance to us in Tamil Nadu, they will give chance again to Rahulji at the center. When the government will be formed at the center, we will definitely ensure that what these people could not do in last 10-11 years, that situation is turned, and we again provide employment to our young people, lot of facility to farmers, and we take this country to new height.
What do you think about Bihar election result?
Bihar election is because of vote chori, and those who are indulgent in vote theft, people will teach them lesson. That's why this organization building process is there. We are strong at the village level. In each and every street, our cadre is present. Then nobody can do the chori. Nobody can have this vote theft. That's why party is very, very cautious, and we have to stop this. The BJP is hobnobbing with the Election Commission of India. So their job is to ensure that free and fair election across the country. But they are now party to ensure that BJP wins these elections. So Constitution is under threat, and who will fight? We will fight. To fight against them, we need to be united, very, very strong and hardworking. So these people will definitely bring change in future under Rahulji's and Khargeji's leadership.
So what is your opinion about SIR?
SIR also, the SIR exercise is going on. As we said that Election Commission is doing this, but they must not delete genuine voters. If there is something wrong in the electoral roll, they must set that right. But they should not be taking sides. They should not be biased. This is a greatest democracy, biggest democracy, and if election commission's credibility is question mark, then who will believe us? Nobody, not our citizen, not the outside people. So to make that credibility more stronger, election commission must act and act positively in favor of its people.
What is your suggestion? Congress makes stronger than BJP.
No, Tamil
What is
Nadu
the
we are
base
very
of-
very strong. BJP is nowhere, and likewise we have to stop them in all other states. Definitely after this exercise is complete, Sanghtan Srijan Abhiyan is completed across the country, we will be a formidable force. Like we will be having very strong army, and our generals, Rahul Gandhi, Kharge ji, other leaders, our regional satraps, they will teach them lesson in the battlefield, and that battlefield will be the elections.
Thank you.
Thank you.